Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Discover for FICO Score Access, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Discover website. Look for the FICO Score link, usually located in the top menu or footer. Click on the link to access the FICO Score information page. On this page, find the option that states Get Your FICO Score. Click on this option to start the registration process. You will be prompted to sign in to your Discover account. If you do not have an account, look for the Sign Up button. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. Choose a username and password that you will remember. Make sure to create a password that meets the security requirements. Click the Submit button to continue. You may receive a verification email to confirm your account. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your account is verified, return to the Discover website. Sign in using your newly created username and password. After signing in, navigate back to the FICO Score section. You should now have access to your FICO Score. Browse the resources available to understand your score better. Explore additional tools and insights provided by Discover. Take note of any features, such as credit monitoring or alerts, that may be beneficial to you. Congratulations, you are now registered with Discover for FICO Score Access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.